All right, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. It is now February. We are in the new year of 2024. I know I haven't been posting lately. I kind of went MIA for a minute. So right now I'm about to go get an alignment for this car. I'm getting it ready for Bimmer Revving that's going on in Orlando. That's going on on Saturday. So yeah, I'm just about to do some maintenance to this car today and get it ready for Bimmer Revving. It's going to be a crazy week. So if you guys are wondering where I've been, I kind of really haven't been posting lately. Just, you know, January was not really a good month for me. Just been a lot of stuff just going on. Just needed some time away, you know. Just needed to take a little break, you know. Had to get my mind right and everything. But yeah, everything is starting to get better now, so we'll see how this goes. It's a nice day today. But yeah, that's pretty much all I'm doing today, is just getting alignment. Maybe I might do an oil change on this car too. It is getting towards that time to do one, so yeah, I might end up doing one since I gotta do this road trip. But yeah, I'm gonna head up to Global Tires, go get my go get an alignment. It is traffic, damn. Go get an alignment and hopefully see some cool cars while I'm up there. But yeah, I'll catch you guys there. All right, y'all, we made it here at Global. See a EK Civic over there, SE300. Another Civic 330. Damn, I'm not gonna lie, that's by far the cleanest Ultima or Maxima I have ever seen. Hello there, is that a 1970 Charger? Dominic Toretto, is that you? Whoa, is that a wide body R8? What the heck? Oh, look at that. And it's manual. My guy with the black GS? Sheesh. That V8. God damn. Alright, y'all. We about done with Global Tires. About to head back to the house and do a quick oil change on this. And probably end off the video for today. Then I'm gonna pick back up when I'm heading to the Bimmer Revving meet. But yeah, I'll catch you guys back at the house though. Yo, is that an R32? Jeez. See that boy? See that boy? All right, y'all. I topped off the Lexus with oil. About to get some gas real quick and head on to the road to Orlando. I'll catch you guys there.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, y'all, we made it here in rainy Tallahassee, Florida. We got like another 3 hours to go before we reach the event. So yeah, you know, honestly, it feels pretty good taking my project car to a different state. It's like a sense of joy that I get. Like last time when I took the Honda to Florida, it was cool, but it's like, I don't know, driving my project car, driving this, like it hits different. And then I have a sunroof, but it's freaking raining. So yeah, but yeah, I still got like another 3 hours before I get to Orlando. So catch you guys there. All right, y'all, we're literally down the street. We got a nice F82 in front of us. Oh man, jeez. Oh, it's not focusing. Dang, M5.
Looking out for your destination.
Jeez. Damn.
Turn left.
Oh, they are. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at all the Bimmers. Oh, this is tough. Oh, this E92 is sick. Sheesh. Sick ass M3. M340. Got a wagon. Got a G82 over there. Hello, Mr. Boosted. I hear that turbo. Sheesh. God damn. So we got an S80, G80, and a 2 Series or an M2. It's one of the two. Sheesh. Damn. This M2 was clean. Damn. On wheels. Is it manual?
Oh, I think it is a running.
Oh, it's DCT.
Yeah.
side. Ooh. What the fuck? Should be on bags too? Oh, what is this? What a flex. Clean ass C92. This is a manual, no DCC, EBSs. Got a Cadillac in the back? Sheesh. Oh my god. Damn. Sheeshers. Talk about mints. Look at the interior. Look at that manual. Damn. Is that Laguna Seca Blue? Look at the carbon intake. Sheesh. Could fit a person in there. Jesus. Oh my god. Is this an E30? Sheesh. Got a green M3 CS over there. That M5 is nice as fuck. Oh my god. Jesus. YTEs, oh my god. The Recaros? Damn. And that's tragic. Out of all the M3s that I've seen, the Vert is the only manual one so far. And it's supercharged. What the hell? The man got the hard top with a supercharged. Crazy. Sheesh. M5? Twin turbo? Wait, twin supercharged. Oh shit. Jesus. Oh my god. A G80 on a freaking tire. Oh shit. Sheesh. I know this thing hauls ass. Damn. Oh, damn. You got the whole back gutted out. Sheesh. Oh snap. You got the Fast and Furious cars? No moniker? Got Brian's Eclipse. Is that the Buick Grand National? Shit, that motherfucker smashed. C4? Damn, this thing is so wide. Jesus. Damn. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh shit, I found it. Oh. The freaking Utes. Oh shit. Oh, that's cool. Damn, this is so cool. Just chaos over here. The Maserati police. One pill can kill. Is that a V10 out here? Is that an SVJ? Oh my god, I just stepped in mud. There's a fucking SVJ. What's this doing in here? They got 2 Honda motors and 2 Bimmers. That's crazy. Damn, look at the freaking welding on that shit. Is that a Supra? Yes, sir. Ah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, you guys, we made it to the second spot. It's gonna be like a little pre-meet here at 7-Eleven, so I'm just waiting for you know, like the rest of the people to pull up. I'm kinda here early as hell right now, but yeah. From what I seen last night, the whole parking lot was full. That E92 is so clean. Damn. G2 or G80, that motherfucker is so clean. Whew. Damn. Look at the exhaust tips on the freaking AMG. Big ass precision turbo. It's so nicely done too. Jeez. Ah, we meet again, my friend. That'd be funny. I was just about to say that'd be funny if he just two-stepped it, but he just did. Is that real? My guy. My guy really didn't pull up. Damn.
I literally did 2 days of Uber Eats. Didn't work.
Man, really got the carbon mirrors and the carbon roof. Damn. What the fuck? Bruh. Bruh, look at everyone just fucking running, man. God damn, bro.
I'm gonna be vlogging this shit.
Bruh. That's sketchy.